Bats often evoke fear and misunderstanding. Many cultures associate them with darkness, disease, and even supernatural beings. However, these amazing creatures are far more interesting and beneficial than their scary reputation suggests. Let's dive into the world of bats and uncover the truth about these amazing animals. Contrary to popular belief, bats are not blind. In fact, they can see, but sight is not their primary sense for navigating in the dark. Bats possess an amazing ability called echolocation, which allows them to see using sound. Bats are incredibly diverse. There are over 1,400 species in the world. They inhabit every continent except Antarctica, and live in a wide variety of habitats, from caves and forests to deserts and cities. Despite their often frightening appearance, bats play a key role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. They are important pollinators, seed dispersers, and insect controllers, making them invaluable allies to humans. As the sun sets and darkness descends, bats take to the sky, filling it with their shadows. These are the only mammals capable of true flight, and their nocturnal lifestyle has led to some amazing adaptations that make them unique among animals. Unlike birds, whose wings are made of feathers, bats have thin, leathery wings supported by elongated finger bones. These wings allow them to fly with incredible precision. Their wings are incredibly agile, allowing them to maneuver with astonishing agility and precision, avoiding obstacles and catching prey. Bats can quickly change direction, hover in midair, and even fly backwards, making them masters of aerial acrobatics. Their flight is a true art form. Their nocturnal lifestyle has also influenced their senses, making them particularly sensitive to their surroundings. While some bats have relatively good eyesight, most rely heavily on echolocation to navigate and hunt in the dark. This ability allows them to find their way, even in complete darkness. This amazing ability allows them to create a sound map of their surroundings, detecting obstacles, prey, and even the texture of surfaces. Echolocation is their key to survival. Bats are social animals, often roosting together in colonies that can number in the thousands or even millions. These colonies are their homes and their protection. These roosts provide safety in numbers, protection from predators, and a place to raise their young. In colonies, bats find support and protection from one another. Imagine seeing by emitting sound waves and listening to the echoes. That's precisely what bats do using echolocation. This amazing ability allows them to navigate and hunt in complete darkness with astonishing precision. To navigate by echo, bats emit high-frequency sounds through their mouths or noses, often too high-pitched for humans to hear. These sound waves travel outward, bouncing off objects in their environment. The bats then listen intently to the returning echoes using their large, sensitive ears. By analyzing the time it takes for the echoes to return and the changes in frequency, bats can determine the size, shape, distance, direction of movement, and even the texture of objects around them. This sophisticated sensory system allows bats to navigate through dense forests, avoid obstacles, and hunt fast-flying insects with incredible accuracy, all in complete darkness. It's a testament to the incredible power of natural selection and adaptation. From insects to fruit, bat diet diversity. Contrary to popular belief, not all bats are bloodsuckers. In fact, most of them feed on entirely different things. Only 3 species of bats out of over 1,400 primarily feed on blood. These species are known as vampire bats. These vampire bats are found in Central and South America and feed mainly on the blood of livestock. They hunt at night, using their sharp teeth to make small cuts in the animal's skin. The vast majority of bats have a much more diverse and fascinating diet. They feed on fruits, insects, nectar, and even small vertebrates. Insect-eating bats, as their name suggests, are voracious insect predators, consuming vast quantities of mosquitoes, moths, beetles, and other nocturnal insects every night. This makes them important for controlling pest populations. Fruit-eating bats, also known as flying foxes, play a crucial role in tropical forest ecosystems. They feed on a variety of fruits, such as mangoes, bananas, and papayas. They have a keen sense of smell and are attracted to the sweet aromas of ripe fruits. Their ability to locate fruit over long distances makes them important seed dispersers. As they feed, they disperse seeds over large areas, contributing to forest regeneration. This helps to maintain biodiversity and the health of ecosystems. Nectar-feeding bats are important pollinators of many plant species, especially those that bloom at night. They play a key role in the reproduction of these plants. The Nightly Pollen Express, Bats and Pollination. While bees and butterflies are often lauded for their pollination prowess, bats play an equally vital role in pollinating many plant species, especially those that bloom at night. These nocturnal pollinators are essential for maintaining the delicate balance of many ecosystems. As they flit from flower to flower, bats use their long tongues to lap up nectar, inadvertently collecting pollen on their fur. This pollen is then transferred to other flowers as the bats continue their nightly foraging, facilitating cross-pollination. Many plants have evolved special adaptations to attract bats, such as large white or pale flowers that are easier to see at night, strong, musky scents that are appealing to bats, and copious amounts of nectar to fuel their energetic flights. Bats are particularly important pollinators in tropical and desert ecosystems, where they play a crucial role in the reproduction of cacti, agave, durian, and many other plant species. Without bats, these ecosystems would be dramatically different, highlighting the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. Nature's little gardeners, bats and ecosystems. Besides their role as pollinators, bats are exceptional seed dispersers, significantly aiding forest regeneration and ecosystem health. They are crucial in maintaining nature's balance. Fruit-eating bats, with their voracious appetite for ripe fruits, are key players in this process. They consume fruits like mangoes, avocados, and many others. As bats devour fruits, they often ingest the seeds along with the pulp. These seeds then pass through their digestive systems. The seeds travel through their digestive systems and are eventually deposited elsewhere with their droppings, aiding in seed dispersal over large distances. This process allows seeds to be spread far from the parent plant, reducing competition for resources and enhancing the chances of successful germination, which is vital for biodiversity. Bats are especially important seed dispersers in tropical forests, where they help maintain the diversity and abundance of plant life, fostering the growth of new trees and plants. They disperse seeds from a wide variety of trees and plants, including fig trees, mangoes, avocados, and many others, sustaining the ecosystem. Their ability to cover long distances enables them to transport seeds to remote areas, aiding in the colonization of new habitats and the recovery of damaged forests, making them essential to nature. By spreading seeds far and wide, bats act as nature's little gardeners, ensuring the health and vitality of ecosystems. Their contribution to nature is invaluable.